Hola, have you encountered anything that seems to be a real medical treatment but isn't it? Let's discuss that further. What is drug? It is a substance or product that used to modify or explore the physiological system and pathological state for the benefit of the recipient. Prodrug is a static drug precursor which upon biotransformation liberates the pharmacological active parent compound. Placebo. It is a harmless medicine which has no therapeutic effect on the body. As a summary, drugs can be processed by some tissue and organ, whereas the liver is the main site of metabolism that rich in enzymes. A prodrug is a medication that body converts into a pharmacological active drug after it is administered. Placebo is anything that seems to be a real medical treatment but isn't it. It could be a pill, shot, or any type of fake treatment. Thank you. Adios.